Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dogman, For Whom the Ball Rolls, written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Chapter 1: Rise of the Planet of the Cats.
Petey! Petey! Petey, wake up! You're on TV! Come on, you gotta see it!
Last night's tragedy was nearly averted thanks to the Supa Buddies. But the biggest surprise of the night was the heroic bravery of Petey the Cat.
Huh?
Check him out, and he saves his kids from the raging fire.
I'm so proud of you, Petey! You're a hero!
Cut it out, Big Jim! Heroes don't snuggle!
Sorry, Petey!
In related news, 7 dog fugitives also saved the guy. The governor was so impressed, he pardoned them. Now all 7 dogs are free. Isn't that nice?
Gee, that is nice!
What's nice about it? Those dogs got set free, but I'm still locked up! Where's my pardon? Yeah,
Petey's right!
why did dogs get special treatment?
I'm hungry!
I say we unite, and together we shall rise up and overthrow this dog-centric society!
Ready, Petey! Begin the revolution!
Meanwhile...
Stop, thief!
No way!
Wait up! It's no use, Dogman. I can't run anymore. You'll have to catch the bad guy on your own.
Whoa! Okay, I give up. But before you take me to jail, I've got something for you. It's here inside my shirt. Oh! What's this? What is it? Is it a ball? Is it a bolly wolly? Who wants a ball? Does Doggy Wuggy want a bolly wolly? Who wants a ball? Doggy wants a ball? Get the ball! Get it! Wants a ball? Flipporama. Ready? Who wants a bolly wolly? Buzzer wants a bolly wall? Who's a good doggy wants a bolly wolly? Are you ready? Let's roll! Meanwhile, oh boy, this is gonna be great! Dogman's gonna catch the crook all by himself. Now everybody will know what an awesome copy is. Now they'll know. Now they'll... Oh! Oh! What is wrong with you? That's the 3rd time this week. A bad guy rolls a ball, you chase it, and he gets away. Oh! Go home, Dogman! Chapter 2: Behavioral Modification Therapy.
Ding me! Oh, hi, Dogman. What's wrong? Did another bad guy escape because he got distracted? Was it a ball or a squirrel this time? Come on, ADHD. We gotta help Dogman.
And so...
Okay, Dogman. ADHD and I are going to teach you to focus. We'll use these flashcards we made. Every time you stay focused, you get a treat. But if you mess up, there's a penalty. You'll have to take a bath. I know you hate baths, Dogman, but don't worry. You'll learn quickly. Okay, let's start with an easy one. Okay, good. Now focus. 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 Let's try again. This might be a hard one. No, Dogman! Petey's my papa, remember? He's a good guy. You have to give him a chance. That's better. Okay, now it's time to focus. 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 Focus.
But then... And so... And later... And after that... And so on, and so on, and so on. Flipporama. Ready? The good, the bad, and the sudsy. Much later.
This is taking a lot longer than I thought it would. But we can't give up, Dogman. We always gotta keep trying.
And so,